ade o manage se meda be sorry bia na wa hode because obitimi koda obe sorry na onya stroke obitimi koda obi abeda no ansori bi enti se me koda na nyame ye madom na me sorry na metimi to me nan to me nsa na me hu se me kuna sorry me ma sorry ye nyina wa ahoden a one of the it's just I can't even describe it. It means a lot to me. Yeah, and no near dear pa and my manager. We won't kwana me wa ahoden said na work on every other thing no it's achievable. Nyame be ma osaka. And once I have life, once I have good health, I'm okay.
Everything.
Yeah.
Says, oh, my daughter.
Me wa Matthew.
Okay. Yet it's na wa Matthew.
Yeah.
Okay. Not backway.
But your backway film.
Backway film.
Yeah.
Shade. A basa experience let's say.
It's only obi awakom. And obetimi aka show. And there are some things that obi enu obetimi I describe it.
Okay.
So Ebeka say describe it love.
Okay.
And now the air you're breathing. There are some things that you can feel.
Okay.
What I say. And see, wona wukom no wope na wonim how enya ensunsanso and I said yet also. And obia ne said in the experience no a city.
Yeah. Ne basa net say.
I wouldn't want to go into it, but the mechanic say, "Erade boy, yende." You know, said the erade be boy me afem nyame adom, oboa metimi de me fem. Yeah.
Yankopon won sharp prophets Asante.
Amen.
Because my husband no you cheat high for obibia e pretty na betimi aka kire.
Nyamisha, and he knows that. He knows Nyamisha the pa, and he knows I really do respect and honor him a lot. It's, you know, the be a media di back up in a mystery man is the man important and ya holding. Yeah.
Obeda benya ne ne se okunu afa wachi ade na be. Okay. Ade na be. Pese hu.
Sade bi o hwa won.
Unim say prophets Asante de want sa for so many years ontumi nyesa. But obeda benya ne eda all over social media. Se okunu sabi nyame fa sama wa fa wachi. Obo adwaman. Ade na be as a wife. I would not na so many years.
Who say erade asem say ene crofon call yeso ko bisa nse bibinti Mose ka say etimi jaware na wonso bibinti obitimi jai ni kuna na obitimi jai ni yeso ka show say adwaman pe na enso mpo no say esina wo if you feel you can forgive utimi de che na wafa wo ho kani ana se wukuna na oyire na asemesi no enti entowa unshedem how you will take it.
Okay.
Just a word do sa bridge ho.
Okay.
Na won say asemi said ya to me me cross me gina ho me yede but entowa enya ade a obetimi ho de meye.
Okay.
What the make na say ha enya nto me ntiri metina aka say meja aware me de me nkome fa me kunu sa wan my mistake because ento me enyansi
it opes what train say nyame fa sama ukuru kofa wachi a ubejai no ye pese ye yes or no.
Yes or no, I can't give you that answer because I see ya na me dia ma
enti na che say see a
see ye
so ma ye say see a
me ma hu na o dia ye dey
me dey ade me dey
na o dia
o na ka say okay say na me do me kunu ani say na me onna no I mean say na me see me say atena for so many years say me kunu kopo adwaman kra me enya hwe me de be che no but won't me kan kire me say nsi ntu mfa nche no of course say ma ye hu me de me pesa me de yade me de yade esa say bibi ya tumisi
meti me aka
okay
iti adekọ ni yesia bibi ari nya ti o yeti koma me bi keka nsem bia me say ebubu akomusi iti entowa you don't say asema ento
okay
because when it happens to you how you react no are different from say what tea tree na ento ti etoa Enti can be say when we get to the bridge, we will cross. Say enyan towa. Minti na nka say oh me de say de me do me kunde o fa me chia.
Na wasem na esi ye ni usuro. O pese o be involve you.
No, not that. Obia ne na brabo. And I choose my battle. Enti this baby am ti de. Esi na me hu de me.
Esi na be hu. Ebusia for me patcho me sis Mavis Asante. And the supreme lady. Was say ensi ye o tumi metena ha ndwa nanum but esi a obi hu de obeye so do okunu but esi a hwe na wa meka se obeja no ene nka Ghana for ye ne obi papa message obeda benya ne na ye gu ani ma ase e wo social media as a scandals ne twa ho ahia e ya na wo fa ne saying na because I think say yesterday you went for a program and call for be di what time and an to no enye natural enye real enye foam ene ade but me die me am your buy die me hu to no nim say enye natural because papa eto enye natural no hu but we no ego emre esheki wogina ho kra na no esheki access point bi situation no it is a basa na send na ya na ofa no because so many eye na ne to no na enye real eye foam eto da na ne to na dwom eto da na pompe kakra hu sa na ma na ya na sen ena
ade e wo se ni pebia wo bobra wo di she otimi say wo bobra for one kasa wo for your own self. Any other thing around you, it is noise. And you don't have to give ears to noise. And unimohwa, dobia kebiani, it doesn't matter to you. Because obia oni mashasiye fiti menkra brain besine enim who I am. So I don't need say, that is why me who say obi, honestly, obiani say de o take it at the but me who say obia kan obia semna obi abeja social media person chim person prove your point and anypan who am because me I'll never do it because I owe you no explanation. So whatever me ndoka me chire mu chire wa enye yie wu maame e na wa bebu maten wu maame wu fa wo kwa meto wonje me nkwa e na ma be chire ma chire wo say ya na say de me bo me bra a chire no a wono na daachi obebu maten ono na hia ene mebusua etwa me ho ahia any other thing there ene me kunu any other thing there me there me hwe saade
I am so glad I'm so proud to say you can wa umfi so what I say ya pese kofododo na nim say ukunu ebruka ya ka Mr. Asante obi eni ya pese wo show camera nim na wo bo ukunu din ebruka Ansa na Mr. Asante.
Abuka nde no na ho tedi is not his name. Nidi
because obi nim say ebruka. Me prophet Asante no. And ye pesa wo chichi kakra se. But budino. Ebruku.
Edina no ano aboy. Edina no ano aboy no.
I think kakra wate. Ai, ebusi afo.
Edina no ano aboy no.
Ebruka. Mr. Asante, prophet Asante. The year Mrs. Reverend Mavis Asante and I see here with Pacho.
Hello.
Okay, yeah, hello. Any day my young quay. When to me and you Papa Pacho, where the Bremukakra and my say or share or better being an uncle for a can of some social media trying to so once a comment to be more. Papa, it's me boo bim. It's me soon. It's
the comments of people should not condemn you.
Okay.
They are not the reason of your life.
Good.
Number two, responding to gossip and criticism, it drains.
Okay.
So we are can watching our drain on say become a reply. Just say your whole energy.
Okay.
Like me, I will not even respond.
Okay.
I will live my life as if you don't exist. Because in fact, wasting that time to address the issue is a whole problem for me.
Papa, me cry me nyebi emu da we yesu di ni mo.
Thank you.
God
because
where
the heso bi aka anwa asem na wa fa phone na fa na obe contact. Say.
What? Papa dear, I feel you wrong. Papa just so mommy. Papa so mommy me ba yeah, hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello. Udini baby are free.
In fact, so be dini Actress Nayas and Ghanaian free kokode.
Okay. Yam kwai.
And you remember that one program I'm waiting.
Sure.
It's an open. Let's see, Madame, my menu. Like, my me and such a material minimum, someone special for me, maybe. Ma to makaka na kasan shira.
Amen. Sharon
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Gracias. Papa, but your brother crab mamma, I mean, Mrs. Mavis Asante, one any colleagues in a house. And then me tata, and I cried him tata, and Papa heard me to my account.
So, like I was saying, it drains a lot of energy from you.
Okay.
And then one thing you can do to be able to have your peace, your peace of mind. Stop listening.
Okay.
So before alone tea, you say you're blogging, you just go like I don't care about it. And then you have the energy to respond. Not responding is enough to make the person look like a fool. It makes you wiser. Because respond so for me, why I sit now, no one come in once a month. I walk around as if I have not heard it. Because you are not relevant. I have a better life to live. Lives are depending on me. The padodo of change, now we won't no. So it's God who gives a good name, not any man. And once God gives you a name, nobody can tarnish that image.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Oh, sweet daddy. Because I said also, but Nyansen Bomuno. Papa, Yamisra, Papa.
Amen.
Hey. Sweet says,
Yes, dear.
what are your colleagues no? When time to say, because I say, come, I say, ye be on Shadam for whom Jim, Shadam for whom shim, meaning, I don't know. It's a prophet and soon a two for. Say, Pacho, no. As a trade.
And they're all naturally, no. Me a very cool, calm, collected person.
Yeah, I know.
Me pen for some.
Okay.
What's the word? Me introvert, I mean extrovert.
Okay.
Yeah, me obia. Me too loud. Me name sad in the year. And you know, me call where I'm invited.
Okay.
Me call where ya friend me be Jimmy.
Okay.
And yes, say baby na me call. Because me ni onyamu hear me.
Okay.
And two, my family hear me.
Okay.
And see, adie bia menim se me ya M1, I don't do it. And see, yes, me come home come obia or your program a menino edisa. Menino jelly akwenya wo hodia metimiko. But said me buy metie me ko baby a me di na metio. Me ye de me ye wia na masori na me ko. That's how I live my life. It's me nyese me ni obi wa asem me ni obi a ne asem, but
that's how
I met it.
So be any how it. But what aroma obetimi asori na nka ya share u shape no kakra we dey eni dey ko.
And dey nya dey am so. Shape le nya hwe magana fo.
Obetimi ayi bibi.
Enya hwe.
Mrs.
Be so pani yire wana ready.
Nanso just seconds.
No, I won't do it. It's sweet me.
Yes, ro.
Sweet me.
Eni ma na egu e chi.
Just me nye. Bibie wa be ka me. Wo di go do kra beto wa me nye.
Na pese nkofo ebe hwe sofo pani ade na.
Omo de ye de.
Omo de ye de. Enya no na akwa social media ye nyina ye keka ho nsem.
Oh, I know dear, people always talk, people always have something to say, and especially in this era of BBL, everybody thinks everything is artificial.
Okay.
Na ya na me dream say nyame amon natural, unya artificial. Because ye o Ghana
hey man nka utimi vi otiwe oso won sore nka atimi vi neto no ekọ na chikakra because that's oto ho no ohun akoguo eniema na papa fa cha me what
ye o Ghana hey ye o Ghana hey obi e ni obetimi anya 500 cedis counterfeit.
Okay.
Do you know why?
Okay.
Ye ni the original.
Bankofo we break as
e bia nyame ye no na ankofo ahweswa ye bi.
Okay.
There was natural before e be artificial.
Oh, okay.
The fact that say who need to doesn't mean say me need to.
Okay.
And now you are shapeless doesn't mean say every woman is shapeless.
Upon say wo to nyina wawo ememu miensa nanso wafu no I say yakoye what can I say, is it like protection or say as yakwa twetwe fat no and na wokọ nye twetwe fat no
me nya bi da
it's a corset na ya wo bo ye pese ye wo say
the thing is I all know one that explanation.
Okay.
Yes, I take very good care of myself.
Oh, okay.
Ma na me jeans no sa na mete.
Oh, okay.
Me bobre no
Okay.
Sa na nyame wo me na sa na me nate. E na ma wo me ensa de but me hwe me ho yie.
Etu betimi
me hwe me didie yie.
Okay.
Yeah, me ti we me didie abro so aye twice a day. I normally eat once a day.
Okay.
I take very good care of myself.
It's one shade and heavy food.
Me di but me what time me di no. Me hwe me ho yie ankasa. Nti wo hwe wo ho yie a enche se obia tesa ana uni to a nche se obia ni to nyame amot.
Be me bi ama be ma ne susuma toso asense wa twe ama be ma na say wado be ma no wakome mu da apart from ukunu.
Na question we dey free na be
question. Wo bi na simi misa we nya me Erica e no simi misa.
Sure ma worry. Ma worry.
Just a unko be bia nkope as a sponsor na as a programmer na say bibisa in fa unko be bia as unhu be ma no ma be ma ne susum ntoso as a ni hu dia me kan so what asia.
Me kwa menye program bia da.
Okay. Say bia wako bi office and as wako bi ho. Maybe a Prophet Asante ebruka nka ho. Maybe as a be ma no wura ho no. Wo ho say counselor say what ha no waware intino so waware batasem kana make. Ebia na me so me counselor sunsun betimi atom so ba enya adwuma e yasem ka message me pa chawo da ro unra be me bi office e ma be ma unka se be ma we dey sunsun atom so ase wadon e wakoma mu da
sunsun na ga se ntimi tom se tom so agede.
Oh, okay.
You see people when you admire, oh say dey utimi woni aba o yonko ba ko say oh lady dey ne ho efe since you be ma say oh be ma ne ho efe but it doesn't mean anything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
nti what can be actually be me bi da so many times after so worry.
No, I don't remember. I don't remember.
When a PSA star, when you want to say,
yeah, tell me fine, pa.
You say come, tell me fine,
pa.
Obit me appreciate you. I show camera him. I appreciate you.
Oh, she knows that she's my still don't know everybody.
Because I say wa pa. You can't so omo kan ho a omo boa wa ne wa bedru wa be say na. Me te krase yes o kan ho kra na. Sofo Prophet Asante ebruka na nsaka ho.
Nende what's in wrong information. Wrong info.
Okay.
The all catch on no new concrete info.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
but
Okay,
I grew up with PSA and we've come a long way. And the abra bona e bono. Obi one day was so crew ama okra waboa enti enye se wo se oye bibi kese bi ma wanso say waboa but we've come a long way.
Yeah, sure pa. I see it on suffer. Oh buy name on my side enyum to business for be outside ya na.
I do so many things.
So many things. So many businesses.
Yeah.
It will be per more. Obetimi dey o camera o number atu. Just say where you so. And now all the prophets
we invite me na ma beto nyum na wa bless.
Say be a business, maybe na businesses no. E bia na wo de ntare ba, wo de niema bebre ba na chese nkofo etimi abetu bia. Ana ni nyina je say free house be.
Sure.
Say free home.
Sure.
Look our number. Call all the social media handles ni na. DY. Don't go daddy. I mean shout out to Zafro.